Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME V60 Pro and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find system and update. Then let's tap on language and region and tap on edit. Here in this list we have to find the language we would like to apply and tap on the plus icon next to it, so for example this one, and confirm it with yes. Now we can go back, and as you can see, the language will be immediately applied and everything will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one languages added here, you can quickly change them by reordering the languages. So tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Confirm it, and here this is how you can change the language. If you want, you can also remove the languages from this list. Tap on edit and tap on minus icon next to the language you'd like to remove, and you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.